Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy F41. So first of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you right now will be always the same. So let's start. First of all, just scroll down here and then you will have here always the symbol for the settings. So tap it here at the corner now. And then we have to scroll down to the point General Management. It is this symbol here to adjust things in gray. So tap it. And now we will need the first point, language and input. And now we will need the first point again, the language, and we are at a place we want to be. Okay, maybe you have a list already, and if your language is here part of that list, go just here maybe on one number like the English here from Botswana. Let's keep going on in English. And then go here on the blue button, apply, and the phone will be in your language, or in my case here like in English with the dialect of Botswana. Okay, what if your language is not here part of that list? You continue here with the green plus symbol to add a language. And then you can choose the language you want to have. Maybe let's keep going on in English. And now you can choose the dialect you want to have. Let's take the dialect here of the Bahamas. And now you have to confirm it. The best would be to go here set as default. So then it's automatically set up as our default language here, English with the dialect of the Bahamas. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I have created also some other videos if you're interested in. Or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.